today we have another Battle of the Beauty Boxes with Lip Monthly and Lipstick Junkie. To decide who wins this month's battle, stay tuned to see what comes in each box. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, pets, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. So, Battle of the Beauty Boxes, what is it? This is month 3 of Battle of the Beauty Boxes, and yes, we completely skipped the month of February. And this little guy here is why. This is February's Lip Monthly box. It was supposed to be shipped out on like the 18th of February, I believe. And I just got it March, I don't even know what today is, on March 7th. It took forever to get to me. And I have no idea why. But it got held up in the mail for some reason. I don't know. So I have both February's Lipstick Junkie and February's Lipstick Monthly. So this is technically February's video, but in March because I just got it. This guy came middle of February, so I've been holding on to this one, just waiting for Lipstick Monthly to come so we could have a battle of the beauty boxes. I'm taking 2 different beauty boxes, battling them head to head for 3 months straight to kind of get a general idea of what comes in these boxes, because 1 month at a time is really hard to get a general feel for the box themselves. So 3 months at a time, you guys get to vote on which box is your favorite. You can vote either up in the I button above or down in the description below. Let me know which one you think is your favorite. The winner of those 3 months will continue on for another 3 months, competing against a completely different subscription box. Each one costs $12.95 a month, and you're supposed to get a $50 value. Last month we did get an eyeshadow in it, so it's not always a 100% lip product. Then we have Lipstick Junkie. Lipstick Junkie gives you 3 to 4 indie brand and well-known brands, and they are not generally your everyday wear. The first box we got, I got a gray lipstick in it. This box, I got this purple one, which in my viewfinder is looking a little bit on the blue side, so I'm hoping it actually looks more purple, but it's like a lavender purple, y'all. Not a normal everyday color for most people, but it's fun to try new things, and that's what this box does. They have sent me some more wearable colors and then just a random crazy color. But anyhow, they specifically tell you on the website that they do send bold, bright colors to push you out of your normal everyday life, so you do kind of expect that out of the box. This one costs $18 a month, so it's slightly more. Each month for Lipstick Monthly you get a little bag, and in Lipstick Junkie you get these super cute themed boxes for that month that I think are great to reuse. For the month of February, let's see what came in this bag. We always get a card, and it's just a general kind of like welcome card and a little bit about Lip Monthly, but it doesn't give you pricing on the products. So I will look up the pricing for all these products and put them on the screen so you guys know how much each one costs and that kind of thing, so we can compare at the end the final value. And I think that's important because you don't want a subscription box, or at least I don't want a subscription box where I'm paying $12, $20, $50 and I'm only getting that amount of product. I like to get at least 50% more, at least 50% or more of my value in my products, which these typically all come with more than what you're paying for them for sure. Okay, so the first one is a kosher natural lip balm from the company Noya, and it is spearmint flavored. I am not going to open this. I have a million lip balms, so this is going to go in my giveaway. Guys, we are almost to 100 subscribers. We are currently at 94 when I'm filming this, and we are almost there. When we get to 100, we are going to be doing a giveaway. So if you have not subscribed and you're watching this, subscribe. Next up we have from Hikari. It's a lip liner in the shade Tender. It looks like a really pretty pink lip liner. I just got a pink lip liner, so let's see. Yeah, I have one very similar color to this. This is a twist up lip liner, and you just twist it up and down. But I have one in this very shade, so I won't be keeping this. Next, from Luna by Luna, we have a lip oil in Cosmo. Now, I did get one of these in my first lip monthly box. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty tube, just a clear oil, and it has stars at the bottom. Slightly tinted purple, but it does not go on the lips with any color whatsoever. Let me find it. I have it around here somewhere. Alright, this is mine that I have used. It was laying on the side, so it has a huge air bubble on the side, but when it all evens out, I've used quite a bit of it. I think it's about down to here right now. I love this. And our last item is from Steve Laurent. It is a, let's see, Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, in the shade Bestie. Okay. Generally, liquid lipsticks dry my lips out, so I'm not a huge fan of them. And this is what it looks like. It's a very pretty pink color. Now, I do have others in this very similar shade, so once again, I'm not going to test it. But it is a very pretty pink color. Again, very on the more natural side of life. Nothing crazy, nothing out there. Just very simple, everyday type of a wear look. These are the 4 products we got. I think they're very great products. You got 2 very moisturizing products and then 2 lipstick type of a products. The liner looks like it is a good match for the lipstick, so those 2 go really well together. Even though I'm not keeping anything in this box, I'm not mad at it. It was a really good box. General everyday wear. If you're not into lip balms or lip oils, that might be a little bit disappointing for you, but you could always gift them to somebody else, I guess. But in general, it's a pretty good box. It's nothing that gets me excited this month. So was it worth waiting many weeks after it was supposed to be here? No. I'm going to say no, that this box was not worth it for me. I'll hold off my judgment after I unbox Lipstick Junkie, and then I'll let you know which one I think would be the winner for this February unboxing in March. Let's open her up. Oh, it says treat yourself on there. How cute. And this definitely is a treat yourself. Now, their welcome card also has prices, and I love that. I like a little extra detail, so that's one reason I like Lipstick Junkie, but sadly, it's not continuing on for next month. What I've noticed is they do 3 items, and then the 4th one is a bonus item. The bonus item is by the brand Beauty Vault. It is a lip liner. It says on here, very bold, can easily be sharpened, and this is in the shade Meet Madam. And that looks like a very deep, like, purple maroon type of a deep berry color. Very simple black pencil. Okay. Very dark. I I am going to swatch this one because I don't have any of this color, but I do have lipsticks that color. So let's go ahead and swatch this. It is a very pretty berry color. I love wearing berry colors. I actually just wore one to church this morning, so I will definitely use this, but I'm confused. It says easily be sharpened, so I'm assuming you sharpen it, but this looks very plasticky and it feels very plasticky. So do you sharpen through the plastic? I've never had an eyeshadow pencil that wasn't made out of wood. Oh, okay. So I was thinking, well, maybe it was to twist up, and I twisted the bottom, but no, you can see the end of the pencil through the bottom. So it's definitely not a twist up. Let me know if you've ever used a lip pencil or like an eyeliner pencil that is plastic. Do you just sharpen the plastic and it like peels off like you would a normal wood pencil? I am thoroughly confused by this. I don't know how to use this one, which makes me feel like an idiot because it's a pencil. They're easy. I should be able to figure out how to use a pencil. But I don't know, it's just puzzling me at the moment. If I give myself time to think about it, I'll probably be able to figure it out. Okay, so, the bonus items, they never put the retail value in the box. So I don't know how much this one is. I will have to look that up and put it on the screen. But the rest of the products, I do have the values for those. And next, in this beautiful hot pink bag, we have a Tula lip balms. These are by the brand Kiss Me Honey. And one is in coconut, one is in strawberry. They are USDA organic, all natural, paraben, and chemical free. That's the strawberry. The coconut is identical. I mean, they look the same. The Kiss Me Honey lip balm is $4.99 each. Okay, Luna by Luna. I actually expected this box to come later, like at the end of February or possibly March. I thought I'd get lip monthlies first and then I'd be waiting on Lipstick Junkie, because on here we have a Memi makeup lipstick product, but we actually got a Luna by Luna because they have on here they had problems with customs, and they sent out an email letting you know that your box was going to be late and that they were having issues with customs, so they were trying to find another product to substitute it for, which was really, really nice. Like, you had a heads up that your box is going to be coming later than normal, so I expected this to come full out a lot longer or later than it did. So this is by Luna. It is a matte lipstick in the shade Austera. This is beautiful. It's in the same type of a bottle as the oil for me. Anyhow, same bottle with the stars, except you can actually see the stars better in the red one. I have a million red lipsticks, so I am not going to try this one out. This one does look like it has very kind of an orange toned red. And looking in the bottle, it does look like it has a little bit of like fine micro glitter. The value of this, again, I'm not sure. It's probably close to the Memi one, which was $16, but I will look it up and I'll let you guys know. So really, I'm only going to be able to tell you the retail value for 2 items. Last up, this is by Rad Alchemist. It is a 2-in-1 tinted lip and cheek butter with raspberry seed oil in the shade Merlot. I have never used a lip and cheek butter. It retails for $14. Do you see this? This little itty bitty. How much is it? 5 millimeters or 0.17 ounces. Do you see how teeny tiny this little thing is? for $14. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it starts to melt. Can you see my fingerprint in there? Starts melting almost instantly, and it's a very light, kind of like a tinted lip balm type of a color, or not color but consistency. Very pretty, very light. Almost, it'd be like a natural kind of wash of color. Do I think this itty bitty teeny tiny little container is worth $14? No, I do not. I've never used any of the Rad Alchemist products, so I can't attest to how good they are, but this is very oily, and I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like if I put this on, I have a pimple right there, and it didn't want to be covered up, but I just feel like it's going to eat away at my foundation. And yeah, I primarily wear powders because other foundations break out my skin. I did try another one. I just bought it. I've used it a few times, and I just don't like how it sits on my skin. The liquid just doesn't blend with my skin, and it breaks up very easily. I don't know. In the viewfinder, it's not looking too bad, but maybe give it a second. Maybe it'll like sink into my cheeks. I don't know. I'd have to look in a mirror up close to see what it looks like on my skin. I don't know how much I'd use this for my cheeks. I do like products like this for my lips. I do like tinted lip balms and stuff like that. So I would probably use this on my lips. Don't think it's worth the $14 though. Who is the winner? Was it Lipstick Monthly? Or was it Lip Monthly? Was it Lipstick Junkie? Who won this round? Honestly, like I said, it doesn't matter who wins because Lip Monthly automatically continues because it won both December's and January's. But let me know. I still want to know what your guys' opinions are. I don't know. I think if I were to keep all these products, I would probably use the ones from Lips Monthly more than Lipstick Junkie, so I think I'm leaning towards Lip Monthly this time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!